Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to check out Taja AI and I'm going to give you my honest review of it. If you're looking for a tool that can seamlessly convert your long form videos into shorts complete with caption and SEO, then you will definitely want to check this out. If you want to create viral shorts from your long videos, this tool helps by automatically trimming and cutting the key moments for you. Beyond shorts, it helps optimize your long form content so you rank better in YouTube search. Plus, it has an AI thumbnail generator that creates designs based on your videos with or without your face that we're gonna check out later in this video. So these are all the highlights. Now let's jump onto the tool itself, and so I can show you exactly how it works and if it's actually worth it or not. Here's the dashboard and where you can do SEO optimization and create shorts. Right here you have a drag and drop box where you can upload files from your PC, or you can simply paste a YouTube link here in this box and then just click on optimize button over here. So what this does is optimize your long form video while generating viral shorts. So for this demo, I'll grab a link, a video by Alex Kultz. So I'm just gonna paste it here and click optimize. Now here you have everything that you want to do. Along with the titles options, Taja gives you an SEO score. Next to the pen icon, you can see the SEO score. So if I read all this, like Denzel Washington, why you must fall forward to succeed. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. Powerful motivation. These are actually good SEO titles. Like, notice how the name is mentioned first and then it's stuffed with high ranking keywords. This one is perfect, the first one. It has authority plus a hook. So authority here will be the celebrity name, I guess, and a specific concept, why you must fall forward to succeed. And by any chance, if you want to make some change in this title, you can just click here on this pen icon and then you can do your edits. Also, you can like regenerate this button over here. You can click here, so it will regenerate more titles for this video. Now moving down, we have description, and it's pretty long actually. You can see here the chapter, hashtags, and there's like icons, emojis given here. So it also added some few hashtags based on the video niche. Now below that you get YouTube tags, and this help YouTube understand exactly what your video is about, so it can like push it to the right audience. So below the tags they are giving transcripts that you can repurpose. This is the text version of your video. Personally, I use this to create blog posts. Like, I just do some changes to it, like adjust the voice a bit and structure it into an article, and like that I can use this same transcript as a blog article. You can also use this transcript to tell the AI to create like social media posts that you can use on like LinkedIn, Facebook, X. Like for example, you can prompt it like this, like, here is my transcript, so give me like 10, 15, 20 different viral X posts or Facebook posts. Now let's move on to the main part of this tool, which is shorts. Because this is the free plan, so I have like 3 credits left, and this just made me 6 shorts. I can like generate more or download all from here, so it will take some time to generate and be ready, I guess. And the length is 1 minute 33 seconds, 1 minute 17 seconds, 1 minute 8 seconds, 1 minute 31 seconds. So the lengths are perfect for shorts and reel kind of videos. It also generates the caption automatically, which look really clean. You also get title that you can use on your reel, and also you get a description along with hashtags. And if it looks like this, like only black screen with just caption, then just wait and give it some time. It's actually loading the video behind. And like, if you want to customize them, just like click on edit over here. Let's just check this one.
Circumstances. The real challenge of growth, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, comes when you get knocked. It takes courage to start over again. You're going to go all out to have it. It's not going to be easy. When you want to change, it's not easy. If it were in fact easy, everybody would do it. But if you with some drive, decide that you're going to push yourself. The last chapter to your life has not been written yet, and it doesn't matter about what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter about what.
At the end of your feelings is nothing, but at the end of every principle is a promise. Behind your look.
Yeah, the caption looks very clean and the video is also good. Also with the free plan, like it's just making like 6 shorts, but with paid plans you have options to make like 40 shorts of one video and like more than that. I'll just show you later in this video, so you like get more shorts out of one video. And I really like how this came out. And then if you want to customize them, just click edit. Now you can see all these things that you can change. Like you can change the title, you can like toggle captions, subtitles on or off, and then choose from six different fonts. I usually go with Poppins. It looks cool. And you can also change the animation like pop or typewriter. Let's see how pop is. So this is the pop one. Let's see, play. It is like this. Word highlight. So the color changes from white to green. Typewriter. This is also, I like the word highlighted. Let's see, motion. Alright, motion is also good actually. I'm gonna use motion. Motion and word highlight is my favorite, so I'm just gonna stick with motion for now. And you can also adjust the colors and text position to match your brand, but I like white and green combination, so I'm gonna stick to this. And then I can change the transcript from here. I can also change the duration, the starting and ending point, so I can just make it longer, shorter. I can change the positions from here, and I can just save or download. So let's go back. I'm not gonna save this one. Then we have clips. So for clip, you actually need at least a 30-minute long video. Taja also provides a blog version of your video that you can upload in your website, or if you write anywhere else like Medium, LinkedIn articles, you can just copy it from the blog section. You can do some changes and then go and paste it there. So now let's go to LinkedIn and X post. It has a lot of different icons and hashtags. It also writes post for X. So in this case, it generated about 9 different posts for X that I can repost or like regenerate. I can do some changes, edits. Now finally there is a content calendar over here. You can actually schedule your post directly from here once you link your social platforms from profile settings that I'm going to show you right now. Let's go to profile. If you scroll down a little bit below, you can see linked platforms, and from here you can connect your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Now let's talk about pricing. So if you buy Taja AI directly from this site, it's a bit expensive because of the monthly subscription, so you have to pay every month to use this tool. However, Taja AI is back on AppSumo, and this means you can get a lifetime deal, like pay once and you can own it forever at no monthly cost. So currently there are like 4 plans you can see on AppSumo. Plan 1, which is 1 code, which is at $49. The price can change obviously. You get all the SEO features, but you can only optimize 4 videos a month. And for serious creator, I think 4 is a bit low. And plan 3, it is recommended by AppSumo, I guess. And you can optimize like 12 videos per month and generate like 40 shorts per video. So you can do the math, 12 into 40, how many shorts you can generate. Plan 4, which is $236. So this gives you unlimited shorts and 100 videos optimization. You can choose whichever plan fits your workflow. And guys, the link to the Taja AI AppSumo lifetime deal is in the description below. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you the best AppSumo deals and SaaS reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.